And we're going to raise them on the day of resurrection, عَلَى وُجُوهِهِمْ, on their faces. عُمْيًا وَبُكْمًا وَصُمًّا. They're going to be what? What's عُمْيًا? Blind. Bukman, mute. Summan. So عُمْيًا, because they ask to see things now, but they refuse to see what is in front of them, so you lose your hearing, you lose your seeing. You refuse to listen to this message, or ask the right questions, you ask all these obnoxious questions, so guess what? Can't speak anymore. And you refuse to listen to the advice when you could have benefited from it, now it's gone, so summan. مَأْوَاهُمْ جَهَنَّمْ. Their place, their final place to go back to is Jahannam. كُلَّمَا خَبَتْ. Every time it starts running out of flame. Khabat, fire starts dying down. Khaba yakhbu khubwan, or khabwan, they say. Zidnahum sa'ira. We increase the flame. We increase for them particularly the flame. Jahannam is very big, and they may be in one corner of it. So Allah goes and intensifies the fire right where they are. Zidnahum sa'ira. We increase them in terms of the burning and the scorching. ذَلِكَ جَزَاؤُهُمْ بِأَنَّهُمْ كَفَرُوا بِآيَاتِنَا. That is their compensation because they had disbelieved in our miraculous signs. وَقَالُوا أَإِذَا كُنَّا عِظَامًا وَرُفَاتًا. And they had said, when we are reduced to bones and dirt and decay, أَإِنَّا لَمَبْعُوثُونَ خَلْقًا جَدِيدًا. Are we really going to be raised, a new creation all over again? أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا. Hadn't they seen أَنَّ اللَّهَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. That Allah, the one who created the skies and the earth, قَادِرٌ, is capable, عَلَىٰ أَنْ يَخْلُقَ مِثْلَهُمْ, to create He's capable of creating the likes of them. وَجَعَلَ لَهُمْ أَجَلًا. And He made a deadline for them. لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ. In which there is no doubt whatsoever. Didn't they even think for a moment about, first of all, Allah's power of creation, second, that He's created many nations before and destroyed many nations before. He has the power to create the likes of them. Who do they think they are? They're so irreplaceable. And then He's given them not endless amounts of time to think about this. جَعَلَ لَهُمْ أَجَلًا لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ. He set a deadline for them in which there's no doubt. فَأَبَى الظَّالِمُونَ إِلَّا كُفُورًا. These wrongdoers, these misfits, they're just bent upon disbelief. They will refuse anything but being disbelieved.